I'm not leaving this bowling center until I bowl a perfect game. So the premise of this video is I'm trapping myself here at the Gold Coast Bowling Center until I bowl a perfect game. I'm only gonna bowl on lane 4. Yeah, we'll see what we average, see how long it takes us to bowl 300, see how many games it takes. Let's go. This is my league hyperdrive, rotor grip hyperdrive. I also brought an Equinox Solid, a 900 Global Viking, and a Phase 2 Pearl. I think this lane hooks a little more than lane 3. Okay. Not entirely warm. There's a little bit of oil. There's a lot of oh my God, there's a lot of oil on the lane. How did I not step on any of it? Clean up on aisle 4. Don't want to step in that. That would be bad. There we go. See, I didn't bring a spare ball, so I'm gonna hook it at all my spares because I've been kind of lazy lately. But it's all about strikes here, and we're on 1. 11 to go. Game 1 is our highest chance to bowl 300. So we have the most down lane motion. It's free. I will re-oil the lanes if I have to. Plenty of hook on the lane. We just have to give it enough sauce. This rack's not very good either. I should stop, please. Ooh. So the ball slipped off my right hand. Like my hand went like this. That's a terrible rack. I'm taking a re-rack. We gotta learn some trends here too. How often do we need to move? Gosh, I'm already sliding in the left gutter. Maybe. All right, we're warming up. We're warming up. How many shots have I thrown? 5 on this lane. We're 9 shots in, warmth-wise. Come on. I'm not super concerned about my ball hooking early. It's more like, when is the oil gonna get down the lane? And when is my ball gonna stop hooking the right way? Every 4 shots sounds like a good idea to move. I also wanna just stay aggressive.
Quick second, guys. Just wanted to let you know that League Night and Vlogs have moved over to the Vitamin D Tang channel. So if you guys haven't subscribed over there yet, link is in the description below. And let's go back to the action.
Oh no, help. House shot. Yes. We might do it game 1. I got a camera lens in my pocket. When you got something good going, you can't change it. Keep everything the same. The biggest problem when people stop striking is they start doing different things because they start getting uncomfortable. Same process. It's not bad. Oh. Come on, Gold Coast house shot. Okay, that's the one that scares me a little bit. That one got like slotted in that down lane oil trackish, like a little inside out. See, that's the one that I would normally move 1 and then try to catch it a little more. I don't know if that's what I should do here, because that's a sign my ball's starting to hook too early. We'll throw 1 more. Now I'm moving 1, because I know my body's inherently gonna want to catch it more. Oh boy, a lot. We might do it game 1. We're halfway there. I know the longer this challenge goes, the more mentally fatiguing it's gonna get, because I'm pressuring myself to throw 12 in a row. We might not have to throw another ball though. Hook. It's just automatic. Wait, that rack's not very good either. It's all right. They say anytime you feel like you need to take a re-rack, just take it. So if it doesn't strike here, it is what it is. Oh, that's so bad. Get so lucky. My push got a little long there. Well, at least here we could look at a different ball and see. Dang it. That's on me. Just a bad shot. 259 game 1. Hyperdrive gets another chance. I'm gonna take the camera lens out of my pocket. Need to stay process oriented here. No need to press. All right, our record so far is the front 7. Here we go again. I like the layout the best for how the lanes are at the moment. It's the weakest layout I have. Ball reaction wise, giving me that little bit of deflection, but I don't think we're gonna railroad 9 here. No TV bowling supply 9. Speaking of TV bowling supply, if you guys want 5% off your next purchase on a bowling ball, head over to tvbowlingsupply.com. Use my coupon code DTANG5 for 5% off. 300 always takes a little bit of luck. And in those 7 shots, there was not a lot of luck required. So hopefully we throw 12 shots. Just have a chance. Oh no, get lucky. Try to give that one a little more sauce. Hey, what time is it? When's everyone showing up? So I got about 30 minutes. 30 minutes to bowl 300. Hook a lot. Not bad. A quarter of the way there. We've officially bowled 2.1 games on this lane so far. I can learn a little bit about a transition for myself. Was that a bad rack? It was like in that little slot and I didn't quite catch it. Gosh, no. I don't want to finish the game. I just don't. We're already in though. It's like when you golf. If you take that one breakfast ball, all right. But after that, you got to keep going. I'm gonna play to the right so it doesn't. I don't burn up the front of the lane. Bye. All right, we finished with 204 there. Kind of missed that one on purpose. Not really on purpose, but I didn't really, you know. All right, game 3. We've got 259, 204 so far. I think by not striking, I actually lose more energy. I'm gonna rack this. I have faith. I've got a 300 with this ball this year so far. Game 3. That's not very good. Help, 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 help. I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. 463 after 2. We're averaging 231 and a half. Go. Woo. Okay, we got a little left side shim now. They don't have to be good, they just have to fall. Another bad rack. I'm taking my second. I don't care how many re-racks it takes. All right, this is good. Give me some time. You guys see the head pin wiggling as the rack came down? Curve. Not super convincing. I feel like I need to give it some more rotation or just more rev rate. Don't do anything stupid though. Oh, that is definitely more rotation. There's a little bit of luck we need. Let's drink some water here. We need to develop a better pace, better process here. Close. Hit it. No, just that slot, man. Oh, it's not good. Guys, I really don't want to finish the game. I might have to scoot back to the right and do the forward thing with the clean ball. I don't want to keep track of my score anymore. I don't like this. I don't have that free push. Not yet. I need to take a break.
A few moments later.
That's not bad. Come on, 25%. Why are we pressing? It's easy. Bowling 300 is easy. You just have to find good ball reaction, get it off the hand the right way, and throw it to the right. That's all it is. That's all bowling house shot is. No. I never said that I was going to bowl every game all the way through. I'm restarting this one. I said halfway. We're not halfway. We're gonna restart, reset. Come on. Oh God, hooks so much. Every shot, oh no. No, come on, man. That was a decent one. Again we go. We haven't even been close since the first game. I didn't really have a good feeling with that hook spot there on 4. All right, I'm moving one back right and we're getting firmer. Okay, I think that's the play. Do it. But if I throw it through that spot, it doesn't hook. I'm overthinking it, aren't I? Hook. No, it's just, no. Why is this so difficult right now? This lane sucks. I'm having a tough time, guys. I'm having a tough time. Oh, we're in for the long haul, guys. The long left is there. This is painful. Dude, what do you want? We have to try to slow hook it now. Oh, this sucks. This sucks. I've never seen this ball hook so much. Yes. Yeah, no, no. I'm moving, I'm done, I'm moving. This lane is just cooked. I've destroyed this lane. It's on me. I did. I should have done it sooner. I'm moving to lane 3. This is just, All right, we have moved to lane 3. Please, please, please. Oh no. How does that not hook? I missed left. Oh boy. Oh boy, this is a tough one, boys and girls. It's not game 1 of league anymore. Oh, that one ain't strong. Oh, maybe. No. Yeah. Yup. Hunter, if you can guarantee a strike, you can throw one. Go. Oh my God, he's ice. Let's go. Why doesn't my ball hook, man? Oh. Well, he's left-handed, so I should just wait until you guys throw 11 in a row, and then I'll just throw the fill shot. I never said I was going to be the one to do it all. Oh no, storage is full. Oh. I'm coming. Hook. I really wanted to take my hat off and throw it across the room, and I remember there's a mic on my head. I'm just gonna let the lefty go until he misses. Until I think he's gonna miss. There's one. Lane 4 is cooked. Maybe, play. Yep, stay right there, throw another one. Help! Oh! You got another one in you? All right, I'm in. Go.
Maybe I should have kept going.
Yeah, maybe. I'm tired, guys. I can't wait to ruin my face with the spicy sauce. That might hook.
Oh, yeah.
That one, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that one is.
This one's something else.
It might be. Let's just let Dan bowl for a little bit. Go.
Got around that one.
He does. Go, hook. Yo! Come on!
Oh, strike on 3.
We're trying to bowl 300.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Yes! Oh, the little dump. Please.
Push.
Oh, come on! Oh, the crank, go! Did I anticipate it taking this long? No. Am I surprised it is? No. What's the word?
That's good. I hope it does. I'll block the camera. Oh, that was good.
Come on. Do I need to move on that? Hook. I'm shipping it. I'm going all the way.
I was gonna say, let's go to church. They didn't want to go to church though.
Maybe? Okay. Maybe I just gotta ball up.
Rip the hair off the kid.
Rip the hair off the kid.
Darren, when does the 3v1 come out?
I got check.
Huh?
Go! Yeah! Leave it to the lefty. Bring us home.
Ready, Darren. Ready when you need me, coach. One hand Ricky's back.
No. We ain't letting one-handed Ricky play. Hook a little. No! There's just so much pain. I don't know how many times we've actually restarted, but it's been a few.
Now I'm not using any more Black Widows.
Nice.
If that makes you happy.
Hook. I think once you get to where you need to be, you can probably eat 6.
Really?
We're now bowling on 47 feet. Hunter's still bowling on the house shot. The rest of us are bowling on 47 feet. Oh God, crap, play.
Oh!
This is the one. This is the one.
You just jinxed it.
Nope, nope. Get out of here with this negative attitude. Come on.
You jinxed it. You said it's the one.
Nope, nope. It's the one. Maybe?
Oh my goodness.
Maybe? Do it.
Come on. Hey,
All right, you're right. I got this. If that happened, I would cry. All right, there we go. 9, 9, 9.
That's 10. Oh yeah.
We just ask for 9 every time. We get 10. Yeah, not a lot of people throw that ball.
Yeah. But that Vigo is freaking. That is.
Crack.
Get it, get it. Yeah.
I'm getting tired.
Yeah.
That was scary.
Oh gosh.
Bring it home, Darren. Bring it home.
We're gonna do it. I hope the cameras are still recording. The lanes have finally come to me. Let's go.
They started whispering to you?
Come on, come on. Front 9, baby. 3 more. 3 more and we're home.
Oh, Darren. Woohoo! 2 more.
We'll finish, don't worry. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 0 minutes remaining. We're throwing the last shot. We're gonna knock the lights out. Here we go for 300. Yeah! We can go home. Let's go. Woo! Woo! All right, if you guys, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but if you made it this far, appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks to the boys for coming out. They helped us out. They got us halfway there. We bowled 300. We could go home. I could go home. I won't be trapped here at the Gold Coast. If you guys are in Vegas, come check it out. This place is great. Management's great. Thanks for Hadball.com.